Are you overwhelmed by customer messages, leads, and inquiries piling up across your platforms? Managing it all can feel like a full-time job. Missing out on potential sales, slow response times, and disconnected communication can cost you customers and valuable leads. Introducing Botify AI, your all-in-one solution for automating chat responses, capturing leads, and messaging your audience effortlessly. With Botify AI, you never have to worry about missed opportunities again. Here's how Botify AI helps you grow your business. Chat automation. Respond instantly to customer messages on Facebook and Instagram, even when you're not available. Lead sending. Collect and send qualified leads directly to your sales team or CRM in real time, ensuring no opportunity goes unnoticed. Contact messaging. Stay connected with bulk messaging to keep your customers engaged through Messenger, SMS, or email campaigns. E-commerce integration. Sell directly within Messenger and streamline your product sales. Post scheduling. Schedule posts in advance and maintain a consistent presence across social media. Comment growth tool. Automate your comment replies and grow your social media engagement. Email and SMS marketing. Keep in touch with personalized email and SMS campaigns, all from one platform. Botify AI makes customer engagement simple. Set up chatbots in minutes, capture leads effortlessly, and send bulk messages to your audience, all in one easy-to-use platform. Thousands of businesses have transformed their customer interactions with Botify AI, boosting sales, capturing more leads, and delivering exceptional customer service. Ready to automate, engage, and grow? Sign up for Botify AI now and experience how effortless customer engagement can be. Let Botify AI do the hard work for you. Lead, connect, and grow with Botify AI.